Uttarakhand, the Dev Bhumi, is known for its various spiritual destinations. The state is also home to some of India's finest institutes of higher education, and one of them is IIT Roorkee, which is also the oldest technical institution of India. As a part of G20 University Connect program, IIT Roorkee, in association with some prestigious organizations of the country, is going to host National Youth Conference on Indian Knowledge Systems from August 25th to 27th, 2023 at its beautiful campus. With its intellectual heritage combined with the tradition of sustainability and innovation, India has now an opportunity to become a global leader in which youth plays an important role. The conference will witness keynote sessions by eminent speakers from different organizations, educational workshops, panel discussions on emerging topics, poster presentations by participants from more than 100 higher educational institutes of India, and some cultural events. To know more, go to the webpage www.iitr.ac.in/nycikes. So come join us to make India a global leader in Azadi Ka Amrit Kaal as IIT Roorkee awaits you and your friends for the National Youth Conference from August 25th to 27th, 2023.